Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
In this video, I will show you how to make marshmallows using an easy method. First, you'll need to gather your ingredients. This includes 3 packets of unflavored gelatin, 1 cup of cold water, 2 cups of granulated sugar, and 1 cup of light corn syrup. Don't forget 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract and a pinch of salt. Also, prepare a 9x 13-inch pan by dusting it with powdered sugar for later. Next, let's prepare the syrup. In the bowl of your stand mixer, combine the 3 packets of gelatin with half a cup of cold water and let it bloom. Meanwhile, in a medium saucepan, combine the 2 cups of granulated sugar, 1 cup of light corn syrup, and the remaining half cup of cold water. Heat this mixture over medium-high heat, stirring until the sugar dissolves. Then bring it to a boil until it reaches 240 degrees Fahrenheit on a candy thermometer. Now for the fun part, whipping. With your stand mixer running on low speed, carefully and slowly pour the hot syrup into the bloomed gelatin mixture. Once all the syrup is added, increase the speed to high and beat for 12 to 15 minutes. The mixture will become very thick, white, and fluffy. In the last minute of whipping, add your 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract for that classic marshmallow flavor. Finally, it's time to set and cut your delicious marshmallows. Carefully pour the thick marshmallow mixture into your prepared 9x 13-inch pan. Use an oiled spatula to gently smooth the top evenly. Let the marshmallows set at room temperature for at least 4 hours, or even better, overnight. Once firm, invert them onto a cutting board, cut into 1-inch squares, and dust with extra powdered sugar. Enjoy your homemade treat.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.